Oh yeah, a lot of great stuff at VMworld this year. Let me give you a quick overview. But first, let's talk about what we're seeing in the market. 80% of IT executives are increasing investment in digital initiatives. 73% of large enterprises are deploying to multi-cloud environments. Our clients are realizing measurable business impact powered by multi-cloud, like 35% revenue increase from faster delivery of modern applications, and faster innovation even at the edge with 41% fewer costs and hours spent on IT infrastructure. 35% productivity savings across a distributed workforce. The ability to succeed in digital innovation relies on embracing new technologies from a position of governance and control without giving up the flexibility of choice. While there's a lot to be happy about in the success many organizations have seen, we also realize the complexity of the multi-cloud reality. In a recent benchmark study, executive ranked their challenges using multi-cloud: risk related to security, data, or privacy issues, and inconsistent infrastructure APIs, databases, networks, and security constructs tied for the top two issues on that list, followed by the need to hire and maintain new specialized skills to support public cloud. Next was the ability to manage and optimize spend, followed by increased complexity from policies that manage individual environments. Simply put, the main challenge of today's complex multi-cloud environment is a diverse, siloed environment that's only growing more complex over time. And that complexity typically leads to unintended compromise. If you think about the conventional wisdom on multi-cloud today, you have to make some very tough choices. It's an either-or proposition, not just in one area, but many. Developers want the autonomy to build apps on any cloud. Ideally, that decision is based on specific needs of the application. But there's built-in tension. Either you have the developer autonomy and choice, or you put the priority on fast, consistent deployment of apps by your DevSecOps team. That's an assumption that these two things are mutually exclusive. You can't have both. IT teams also have to make a choice. Either you have the freedom to run apps on any cloud, or retain control of your environment and your spend. There's an assumption you can't have both. And finally, either you give your workforce fast access to the apps they need, or you prioritize rock-solid security to protect all of your critical apps. Again, the conventional wisdom says you can't have both, or has been the norm in business for a long time. But the digital business is different. It can't be either or. At VMware, we're focused on solving the multi-cloud complexity and eliminating false trade-offs. Digital business success requires and. Instead of either or, we deliver those false choices with unintended consequences. We replace the limitations of or with the opportunities of and. At VMware, we believe every business should have freedom and control in their multi-cloud business. That's why we are focusing our innovation engine on delivering the power of and in each of these three areas. The exciting announcement at VMworld was unveiling our cross-cloud services. VMware Cross-Cloud Services is an integrated family of services to build, run, and better secure applications across any cloud. Think of our cross-cloud services as the power of and approach to achieving all your digital business goals. Within cross-cloud services, we're innovating in 5 core building blocks: a state-of-the-art platform for building and deploying cloud-native apps, cloud infrastructure for operating and running enterprise apps, cloud management for monitoring and manage app performance and cost across different clouds, security and networking that spans the entire multi-cloud operation to connect and secure all applications, and last but not least, an anywhere workspace to empower distributed workforces, plus edge solutions to deploy and manage edge native apps. These are the solutions that our customers rely on every day. We're taking the offerings they know and trust and expanding their capabilities for a multi-cloud world. And VMware clients are already speeding innovation and achieving digital business success. Clients like T-Mobile. On the day the iPhone X launched, many carrier sites were crashing all over the place. T-Mobile's site wasn't one of them. Their lead platform architect said they were able to stay 100% available during the entire launch. And they sold a ton of iPhones, in large part due to the abilities that the Tanzu application service gave them. That successful phone launch was just one of the results, their decision to move to business critical applications to Tanzu Application Service. They also saw a 40% increase in release velocity and can support 10,000 applications per second with no performance degradation, all while reducing operator headcount. Yeah, I gotta go too, but we should meet next week to talk about how VMware can help you reach the objectives of your organization. Sounds great. I'll see you then.